How to add an Instagram link to your Wix account. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can add an Instagram link to your Wix account. So first what you have to do is come to your Wix dashboard, and here you have to click this edit site button, and once you click this you have to land over here on this website editor. It's going to load and take some time, so be patient at this step. Once this is loaded, I'm going to tell you what you have to do next. So here just come to this option of add apps, and once you click this option, Wix App Market is going to open. Go to the search bar and here search for Instagram and press enter. And once you press enter, you can see over here, if you scroll down a little bit, there's this option of Instagram feed and it's free to install. Just click the option and click add to site, and once you click this add to site option, it's going to add automatically to your site. And once this is added, I'm going to tell you what to do next. Here you can see that it has added this Instagram feed to my site. Here you have to click this manage links, or you can quick edit it. You can go to settings, and then what you have to do is just log in with your account. You can connect your business account over here, and once you connect your business account, just go to manage links, and here you can just manage your links of Instagram and connect them to your Wix account. And that's the easy process that you can follow to add an Instagram link to your Wix account. I hope you liked the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.